Hi friends, now I will tell you about the second part of our respiratory system. Lungs have the capacity to expand and contract, but if these two qualities get affected, air cannot be inhaled or exhaled, and the process of oxygenation of blood cannot be carried out effectively and efficiently. As the heart sends blood to the lungs for purification, after the exchange of gases, the blood is again sent back to the heart for supply to all the different parts of the body. Hence, the importance of lungs should never be overlooked and their efficiency should be maintained by proper and requisite exercise like deep breathing exercises so that we can inhale to the maximum limit we can and exhale. In this way, regularly if we do morning and evening, our hearts will be able, our lungs will be able to breathe efficiently, take in more air and give out air properly. The diaphragm helps to exchange the chest, to enlarge the chest cavity to allow the lungs to expand to take in air with oxygen, and it contracts to help the lungs to contract to help throw out carbon dioxide from the body. So when a person smokes continuously and is a chain smoker, the smoke creates a tar-like coating throughout the air passage to the lungs and in the lungs even over the alveoli, as I told before in the previous video. Do watch my previous video to know exactly how our healthy lungs look like and how they function, and then you'll be able to understand this video better. Then these the tar-like substance causes the exchange of gases difficult, causing breathlessness due to swelling and narrowing of the lung airways and excess mucus in the lung passages. Lungs get impaired due to buildup of poisonous substances. The main side effects of smoking include breathing problems like breathlessness, heart diseases, as the lungs supply oxygenated blood to the heart, and if this oxygen supply to the heart is less or not sufficient, the heart has to work harder or can't work efficiently and gets damaged in this way. Then diabetes can happen in the person, infections, dental problems, and even 90% of smoking cases cause mouth cancer. Hearing loss also can happen and vision loss also. Cigarette smoking releases over 5,000 chemicals and many of these are harmful. At least 70% of smoking can cause cancer. The harmful chemicals spread throughout the body from the lungs and start damaging the whole body slowly. Chemicals from cigarette smoke damage the DNA, and smoking makes it harder for cells to repair any DNA damage. The smoke of cigarettes is carcinogenous, meaning causing cancer. Changes in the lungs tissue is caused. At first, the body may be able to repair the damage because when a person starts smoking, no, he or she will never feel any side effects or any distress in the body because the body can repair itself at that time, the early stage of smoking, but later it cannot repair itself, and this leads to the deterioration of lungs, which can no longer function properly, can't exchange the gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen properly, and even the walls of the alveoli in the lungs are coated with the tar of the smoke, as I said before. The gas exchange cannot be done properly or hardly be done properly, and this finally leads to the death of a person who was smoking. So, friends, do quit smoking if you are smoking now for your sake and for the sake of your loved ones or your family, your wife or your children. Or if you are a woman who is smoking, please give up smoking because of your husband and your children. And for yourself, you'll die early. You will die early and you'll not even be able to see life at a ripe age. Before it is too late, give up smoking. Make a firm decision. Say, I will give up. and slowly you can give up. You can use ways like when you think of smoking, you can have a nicotine gum, and there are different ways I cannot tell here in short. In psychiatry I've learned for sure there is 100% treatment for people who want to come out of smoking, even if they are chain smokers. With a firm determination and the help of a psychiatrist close by to you, you can tell the psychiatrist like, this is my problem, I cannot handle it, please help me. There are different ways, there are different steps, and many settings are there you have to go. And after a few times of visits to the psychiatrist, you'll be able to handle the problem and give up smoking completely. Give up now, don't say I will give up tomorrow or I will give up next week. Don't say that. Decide now, from now onwards I will not do. You may not be able to do it all at once, but at least try to reduce the number of cigarettes you use to smoke daily. And if you really cannot handle it alone at all, really go to a psychiatrist close to you. He or she will tell you exactly what to do, friends, and you will be free from this. You will save your lungs. If your lungs are safe, I took up this system, respiratory system, first because this is the first system that takes in an outside thing inside our body other than the mouth, which takes food. We don't eat poison directly. This having a cigarette is like a poison for our lungs. So just to start with how a body can be damaged, I started with the respiratory system. So friends, again I'm telling you, give up smoking. Don't ever think that you won't be able to give up. You will be able. Have a firm determination, and as I told you, go to a psychiatrist nearby. All psychiatrists are trained to help people to come out of this habit completely, friends. And if you do this now, you will have a happy and healthy life. Whatever damage is already done will slowly be repaired if you stop smoking. And at least you will have some life longer than if you continue smoking and die earlier. At least that I can tell you. Friends, if you liked my explanation on this topic, do like, comment, and tell me what you felt about it, how you think I helped you, and share my video with your friends who are smoking to help them also to stop this habit of smoking. And subscribe to my channel. And if you really want any help from me, just write down. I will really answer your uh, queries or problems. If you want to ask me any question regarding how to solve, I will help you. Just write down, but giving an answer down won't help you much. It will help you little, but uh, it will need a strong determination. And I don't know you personally. So if a psychiatrist, when you visit, no, that psychiatrist will know you personally and will examine you personally, will know how much damage is done in your body, and accordingly will give you treatment. If I just write below, in general also I cannot write because I don't know each of you and I don't know how much damage is done already in your lungs. So please go to a psychiatrist close by. But there is 100% treatment. I know the treatment, and it you will be helped completely. Again, I'll say, please give up smoking for the sake of yourself and your loved ones, and you'll have a happy and healthy life. Do take care. And again, I say, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Lots of love to you all. Bye. I just want you to have a happy life. I just want to help you to live a healthy life. If you are not aware of all these things, that is why I've made this video for you. Take care, friends. All the best. Bye. You will do it. Don't worry. Bye.